Calendly versus TidyCal, which is better for booking. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which booking platform is better among Calendly and TidyCal. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So beginning with Calendly scheduling. Calendly provides simplistic and intuitive design, makes it easy for both users and clients to book appointments, allows users to set up different types of events, buffer times, and availability rules, ideal for setting up one-on-one, group, and team meetings, sends automated reminders and follow-ups to both users and clients, reducing no-shows, integrates with payment platforms like PayPal and Stripe, allowing users to collect payments for appointments, offers a free plan with basic scheduling features, making it accessible for small businesses and individuals. Somehow, the free plan and lower tier plans offer limited customization options compared to premium plans. Lacks built-in client management features. Users may need additional tools for comprehensive client management. The ability to brand the booking page is limited in the basic and lower tier plans. Now let's come towards critical scheduling. Critical offers a one-time payment option for lifetime access, making it a cost-effective solution for scheduling needs. Known for its straightforward setup and user-friendly design, making it easy for users to start scheduling quickly. Allows for unlimited bookings even in the basic plan, which is a great advantage for high volume scheduling. Integrates with major calendar platforms like Google Calendar, ensuring that appointments are synced. Offers flexibility in setting availability and scheduling rules, allowing users to control when they are available for meetings. Compared to Calendly, TidyCal has fewer integrations with other tools, which may be a drawback for users who rely on specific software. While it covers essential scheduling needs, TidyCal may lack some of the advanced features found in more established platforms like Calendly. As a newer platform, TidyCal has a smaller user base and fewer online resources and support options. Choosing between Calendly and TidyCal depends on your specific scheduling needs, budget, and desired features. In 2024, both tools offer valuable scheduling solutions, with Calendly standing out for its advanced features and TidyCal offering an affordable, straightforward alternative. The best choice will depend on your specific needs and budget considerations. That's all for this video.